Hi, my name is Yun Deng. I'm a graduate student from Syracuse University School of Design. And currently I'm working on my graduate thesis design, which is a smartphone application for people who are having undiagnosed chronic pain or autoimmune disorders. I found there is almost no available apps in the market which could allow patients to be accurate with their pain location and also communicate with their healthcare providers like in real time. I also found there is no regulation about this kind of electronic journals, so this makes the current market very chaotic. The first main function of this app is to start a new journal. First, you can point out where is your pain area. It allows you to choose your pain intensity from 1 to 10 level, and after that, you could choose your pain duration. And third one is key information input. The first tab is medication. The second one is pain trigger. What factor do you think triggered your pain? And next, you can choose other kind of input, and then you click save. This is the whole process of starting a new journal. Main function is journal history, and once you click on it, you can see the detail of your journals. You can share the journal with your healthcare provider. You can communicate with your healthcare professional online.